Hey everyone, it is Bubble again and welcome back to my daily vlog. Here I am in Seminyak and today I'll be giving you a hotel tour, and the hotel I want to show you is called Seminyaksquarehotel. Without further ado, let's go. So this street is called Kayuaya Street, and this is Seminyak Square, located in Seminyak. And the hotel is in Seminyak Square building. Let's take a walk to the hotel. We'll show you the room, giving you room tours, and let's go. To my right over there, there's so many stores selling many different kind of things, and to my left there's something like market where they sell a lot of clothes. So first of all, I want to say thanks to every one of you who has been subscribing my channel, supporting my channel so far, as I am nothing without you. And if you just find out my channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. One click, it really means a lot to continue my channel. And don't forget to smash the bell button so that you'll be notified in every time I upload a video. And if you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. And over here you can find all kinds of body goods, like bracelet, bags, necklaces, all kinds of accessories in here. Seashell, clothes, short shirt, jewelry. Halo, what's up? Apa kabar? Sudah garus? Belum? Ya, mudah-mudahan garus ya. And then this is a restaurant. It's called BALI apartment. Place is open. Have a look at this. It's so nice, clear water. So many large gravel here at the bottom of the water, and there is a sign over there, I love Bali. And over there is the mega art market. Very nice sitting area here. Delicatessen Bistro. I don't know how to pronounce it. Delicatessen and Bistro. Is this right? And this is the mega gourmet. I don't see the gourmet. I can see there are so many beautiful BALI goods here. Welcome everybody, and have a look here. There's so many fish. Tiny black fish. Let's check around, see what they have here. This is shrimp. They come in many sizes. There's so many wood stuff here, like boat, car, bicycle. Yeah, this is ashtray made of wood. Yeah? Oh, nggak boleh. Oh yeah, masih ya. So I can't take video here. I'm sorry everybody. Anyway, let's check out the hotel. Pool table over there. And this is Seminyak Hotel lobby area. Let's take a walk inside before I share the room. The door is open, so I want to say welcome to Seminyak Square Hotel lobby area. So this hotel is open and it is time to show you the room. Let's go. All right, the room I want to show you is called Junior Suite Full Views. This is the room number 250. Knock, knock, knock. Anybody home? The door is open. So as soon as I stand on the door, this is what I'm gonna see. And let me close the door again. The door is closed, and this is the storage for your suitcases, and this is the closet mirror here. Then there is a safety box here. Let's check it out. Safety box is open. Wow, I don't see any cash. I bet you'll have to fill it up yourself. And there's this more storage here for your suitcases, and there is a desk here. It's such a long desk with flat screen TV mounted on the wall, and over here is electric kettle, 2 cups, trays, 2 bottles of mineral water. They have some tea, coffees as well, and there is a large mirror over here, and this is the lamps. And have a look at the window. Such a big window with swimming pool views to the outside. And then right here there is a sofa, beautiful couch, pretty color, and this is the bed. King size bed, beautiful sheet, so shiny and so clean. There are about 4 pillows here, and there are 2 nightstands. Beautiful wall with lights or lamp behind it. Let me show you the ceiling. The ceiling is very plain white, and the rooms look so spicy with wooden floor. And then up here is 1 chair, very long desk, and some storage in here. Let me open this one, and this is, I don't know what is this. It's open. Well, There is a fridge in here, small fridge. And let's take a look at the balcony. This is the balcony. Let me open the door. The door is opened. Well, here I am at the balcony and I can see a swimming pool over there. Not too big, but it's so nice and cool. You can see the views over there as well. And right here there is a single sink. And this is the stove. It's an electric stove. And over here there is a microwave. That's what I'm gonna say. And this is a kitchen cabinet. Trash can in there. And there is a set of chair with one table here in the corner. Let me walk in the room again, show you the room from this side over here. And this is what it looks like. Well everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and don't forget to keep smiling.